In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a really cool feature in LinkedIn called uploading documents, which will help you get more reach and engagement on your posts on LinkedIn. So you're going to be on your LinkedIn profile and you're going to say start a post. So you don't want to go to the default here because you can see nothing here says document. So you're going to actually need to click inside there. And when you click inside there, you're going to see that little plus and then your image, your video, and then here's where the document is. Now, before you get to this point, you need to have created the document. So as a heads up, I am using a blog post I had written over here, which is called Tech Tools to Produce Engaging Social Media Content on a Budget. I took this blog post, you can see moving down here, has lots of links in it and lots of really good information. And I put this into a document, created a PDF. I used Canva, but there are many ways you could use this. You could do this in Word, you can do this in PowerPoint, but you want to make it large and engaging so people can read it. You're going to see an example of that. But what you want to do is create and repurpose this blog post to be a native document on LinkedIn, not to have it linked to your blog. So you want a native document. So I'm going to go ahead and find that document, which I already said I created. Now when you go here, you can pull it in from Dropbox or Google Drive or choose the file. I'm choosing the file. It's loading it. And you're going to see a preview of that in just a second. And I'll show you what that looks like. The other thing you're going to need to do is add a descriptive title to your document. You have a maximum, I think, 58 characters. I already have one here I'm going to grab, which is, of course, the title of that blog. There we go. Now you see, this is a 14-page document that I mentioned, Tech Tools. And I add in the front page, swipe to read. If someone is on a mobile device, they may think this is just an image. And also if they're looking at it on their computer, as soon as you mouse over, you see you get this little arrow. So you want to let people know to put their finger on there or their mouse to swipe. Now you can see this is very large text. You want this very easy to read. This is a PDF. Now an added advantage of when you do a document is you can make all these hot linked, right? You can make these hyperlinks to go out. And when someone downloads this document, those links will be present. So that's a really cool feature you can use. So I'm going to say done. So now that is already here with the title. Now, of course, you also want to add some of your own text. I already have some written, so I'm going to grab that. Let's see if that'll let me do it that way. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and post that. So we'll see what that looks like on my newsfeed. So that see more comes up, but right, see that swipe to read. See how easy that is? So that someone can easily move that and swipe and read the whole blog post. See more, there's that bonus. And then someone can also download this from LinkedIn. I hope this tip was helpful. If you found it helpful, please jump over and connect with me on LinkedIn and let me know if you have any tips to offer on how to repurpose your content.